Pele went crash out, deep kind of sleep. Told all her sisters, no wake me up, no even try. Cept Hiʻiaka, Ke-o-wahi-maka-o-ka-ua. A spirit went fly, float over Kauaʻi. She heard the pahu drums deep in a night breeze. Found one braddah, Lohiau, fine kind of aliʻi. Dreamin hula under the moonlight trees. Eala, eala, wake the fire from the lava bed. Eala, Pele, your soul still lingering right by your head. Eala, eala, time for breathe, time for burn. Hiʻiaka, that one call you back for return. Came Hiʻiaka, fresh from the forest. The sister stay crying, think she dead, no breath. But Hiʻiaka, when look, see the signs. No stink of death, she just resting her mind. She still stay here, just her body stay waiting. Her soul still near, just hovering, floating. So Hiʻiaka chant, the power chant. Bring the goddess back, no hesitating. Hohuke ta'akuko, powder work, the kine, God work done down by the surf. Down Kauaʻi, where the stone went clash. See you when split the water flash. You was a kua, now time be waitin and come back to your body, come back real kine. Oh, eala, eala, wake now girl. Hikapoku akini, shake the world. Eala, hikapoku ameno, powerful kine mana not just show. Queen of the lightning, the strike the heat. Four eyes of heaven, time for rise to your seat. Oh, eala, eala, Hiʻiaka calling your name again. Eala, Pele, from the smoke, from the ash, rise up ascend. Eala, eala, she the only voice could pull you back. One divine alarm clock, straight on track. Then her chest went lift, her breath went come. Color come back, no more numb. She stretch, she sigh, she sit right up. Back to her fire, no need luck. Hiʻiaka the key, the spark, the flame. Bring back the goddess, back to the game.